guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making some chicken and shrimp fried rice. I got my chicken right here. It's already seasoned, and also my shrimp is seasoned. I just add me some Old Bay seasoned, garlic powder, onion powder, and a little bit of all-purpose. For the chicken, I did the all-purpose, the black pepper and onion powder and garlic powder, and that's it. So right here I have my bell peppers, red, orange, and green. I have me some green onions. We also call this scallion. I have garlic right there. I always cook with garlic. And I have me some chopped up onions, white onions. And over here I have me some frozen mixed veggies. Yeah, we have the pot right here. I'm gonna start off, and then we're gonna use some egg. Today I'll be making mine with a little bit of egg. So I'm gonna start off with the egg. So let's get this pot heated. Alright guys, we add the oil just a little bit, then we're gonna add the eggs. Alright guys, we are going to take out these eggs. Alright guys, so now I'm going to add the garlic, minced garlic to the pot. That's the minced garlic and the minced onion. We are going to stir these until it has that translucent color, you know, until the onions appears to be white, or until the onions get white. So we're just gonna keep stirring that. And we are all using the same pot. Now we are going to add the bell pepper. Guys, this is my way of making my fried rice. So yeah, just a disclaimer, it's my way. You should try it though. It's gonna be delicious. Alright, so we are just gonna keep stirring these. Oops. And have them saute in the pot on medium heat, because we don't want them to burn. So guys, I'm just gonna add my mixed veggies to it also. It just makes sense to do everything all together. All my onions are translucent, they're clear, you can see them. And then we are just gonna leave these to cook for like maybe 2 minutes, and then we are gonna change it. We are gonna take them from the pot, and we're gonna start cooking our chicken. In the meantime, guys, this is my rice. I cooked my rice the day before. So we had cooked this rice yesterday. And it's cold because you want cold rice. Alright guys, I think my veggies are finished. I am going to take these out the pot. We're going to transfer them to a plate. We're going to do the chicken first. This is it right here. All seasoned. And I minced mine small. Using medium heat for the chicken, and we have to let these cook right because they're small and it's a lot of chicken, because I want my fried rice to have a lot of meat. So that's the reason why we are adding so much chicken and shrimp. I have like 1.5 pounds of shrimp, and this is the chicken breast, maybe like 3-4 chicken breasts, medium sized chicken breasts. So we're just gonna let this start frying and cooking. We're not gonna let it cook all the way through, maybe like, halfway, because we still need it to be tender. So I'll be back, guys. Alright guys, so my chicken is finally done, and like I tell you guys, I do my chicken well done. I'm not just gonna put it in a pot for 2 minutes and that's it. This is actually in the pot for maybe like 10 minutes or 8 minutes, but it's done. So we're gonna take it out, and then we're gonna start with our shrimp, and I'm gonna show you guys that now. So guys, I'm gonna start with the shrimp. I'm just gonna place the shrimp in the pot. I'm not gonna throw all my shrimp in the pot. I'm just gonna let them cook each side, and then we flip it over. Alright guys, so we're gonna let them stay, and as soon as they start cooking, we'll flip it over on the next side. So we're gonna do this for like maybe 2 to 3 minutes each, and then we flip it over. Like this one is already changing color. As soon as the shrimp color is changed, you can flip it, because we don't want the shrimp to be mushy. I'm just gonna start flipping these shrimps. And let them cook on each side. I can't wait to eat this fried rice. I'm excited, and it tastes so good, guys. You guys should try it. And like I said, this is my way of doing it. People do it other ways, but when we're totally finished, you guys will see how I do it. Alright, so you see one side is already done. You have to get them cooked on each side. And then we have a few more, so it's going to take us a minute. So guys, the shrimp are done. We are going to change the pot and use another pot for the rice. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna add me a little bit of oil. Oops, well that's too much, but that's fine. And that's the sesame oil. And then we're gonna add the cold rice to the pot. Just gonna take our time because we wanna make sure that rice is separated like so. And add it a little by little. Alright guys, so the rice is all warm and it's separated. I'm gonna then add me some sesame oil, and it's better to wait until the oil is warm before you add these stuff so the rice don't get mushy. Then we're gonna add some soy sauce. And the sesame oil will give it a nice flavor. That's the reason why I add the sesame oil. So anyway guys, I added the sesame oil and the soy sauce. We're gonna add the veggies now. Add the egg. We're gonna give that a stir before we add our chicken and shrimp. Guys, this is the chicken and the shrimp. Let's add it. That's a lot of chicken and shrimp. Which we also call scallion. Alright guys, so this is the chicken and shrimp fried rice. So it's ready to serve guys, and this is our Sunday dinner. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, make sure you tell a friend. Until next time, bye.